हाँ।
हेलो, रविशंकर सर।
Good morning, everyone.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. No one else
Good
has joined.
morning. No,
Hi, good
I'm
morning.
here, sir. Good morning. I'm Shrinkala Santosh, Community Manager at Startup Lane. Welcome to the Chapter Directors meeting, everyone. Yes, sir. Here is a short, small intro about Startup Lanes. Welcome to Startup Lanes Meet. We are an ecosystem for startups, investors, and enablers present in 40 cities across 7 countries. Shishir Gupta and Neha Gupta are the co-founders of Startup Lanes, and Sri S.K. Mathur is Chief Advisor. He's 75 years old with 50 plus years of experience. He was president of Reliance Industries and CEO of ExpoMart in the past. We are enabled by our regional directors, chapter directors, associate directors, funding consultants, investment directors, mentors, and associates all across the globe. So I would kindly request you all to introduce yourself. Also inform about what kind of business requirements you have, how early you can give leads to the community members, and if you have any suggestions for startup lanes or any feedback for startup lanes, and any queries you feel regarding chapter directors work or anything. So let's start with Mr. Ravi Shankar, sir.
Yeah, good morning everyone. So I'm Ravi Shankar, I'm from Chennai. So I'm chapter director here, and my regional director is Sri Raman, and I am into web development and digital marketing, and also business intelligence and analytics. So I have a 10-year-old company now, and we are mainly our target market is Chennai and US. So we have some clients in US who long standing like last 10 years, and Chennai we are rapidly expanding and also uh, expanding in all over India. So, but right now our main clients are in Chennai and US. And Startup Lanes, I joined in January, and so it's been so I've been a gold member since then. And then so I volunteered to be the chapter director for Chennai. And with respect to the leads, I'm working on it. If I have anything, I'll definitely pass it on, because we are also trying to understand the kind of people we have here. I know most of us are in software and IT related. So once I get any requirements, I think slowly things are becoming better now. So, and I've been hearing a lot of things, but definitely positively we'll have something soon. With respect to chapter director, I think we are starting phase. I think we kind of understand what is going to happen. So once we have the queries, definitely I'll put it across. And, but right now, I think we are in the right direction. It's just that one thing is probably the meeting notices could be put earlier because the strength is kind of low. So it mostly happens to be a weekday, and probably 10 o'clock might be a very tough time for people to join the starting of the day, right? I'm open to do the meeting early in the morning, like 7:38, but I don't know. I mean, the others have to raise their opinion, because the evening is not going to happen because everybody will be tired. But if we can do the meeting earlier, probably we'll have a better strength. Because I've seen that happen in BNI. It becomes like religious. You don't have a choice. You will attend at some point once you see the traction. 10 is a very odd time. I have work, but I said I have committed for this, so I'll come here. But I think we also have to give prior intimate at least 2 3 days before, and we have to put a set calendar from now. Wednesdays we are going to meet, so you have to be there. So something like that, I guess. Then we'll have a better strength, because I think more people, then we have more views and everything. So that's the only thing I have right now, because I know we are starting. So let's hear from others also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the suggestion. But the meetings are pre-planned and it's already put up in the groups that these meetings would be conducted. I think you missed that message. That's okay, sir. It
No,
was
I joined. I
priorly.
was the first one to join. I'm just
No, sir.
saying.
Yeah, yes, sir.
See,
Meeting
what
was
happens
like
is,
pre-informed.
yeah,
Yes,
I
sir.
know, but the WhatsApp group, come on. I mean, like people, people just,
Yes, sir.
people have 10 group, 20 millions of group, millions of messages, and then they just totally forget it. I'm just saying. I mean, probably a timing also. not only the meeting, but 10 a.m. I don't know. It's a very odd time. I don't know. I mean, like the people are busy at 10 a.m. So that's the only thing with their business.
Okay, sir, that is noted, and I'll be informing that. And let's see if some other time is suitable to conduct the meeting.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Thank you for the suggestion, sir. And thank you for being a like valuable member of Startup Lanes.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Bitang Ghosh, sir. So your voice is not audible.
Yeah, you're right.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Bitan. I'm the Managing Director of Fusion Technologies. We are a startup based out of Estonia and have a development center in Kolkata. So we are just a 3 years old company and we are currently working with the government of India for smart city projects. So our current project is the Raipur Smart City project, where we are connecting the entire all the industries around the state through IoT devices and doing the data analysis and giving the proper document reports to the central government, state government, and also the industries. So that is one of our projects. Secondly, if I say we are working closely with corporates implementing ERP solutions, with the biggest client of ours is Doreen Group. That's a company based out of conglomerate based out of Bangladesh. And I joined Startup Links back in March, and I'm a gold member since then. It has been a good journey so far. I did get a few leads, which a few converted, a few did not. That happens. And so far, the journey is very good. And as Mr. Ravi Shankar was saying, at 10 a.m. in the morning, yes, it is a bit difficult, but I guess if we can pre-plan our schedules accordingly, with a set calendar, of course, I guess we can work it out.
Thank you, sir. Do you have any questions or any suggestions for the Startup Lanes?
Suggestions, like if most of the people have problems attending meetings at 10 o'clock, I guess we can push it further till around 11 if that's feasible. Because I know a lot of people who work in the IT industry does overseas work, and that is the reason sometimes they need to stretch out late nights, or sometimes they need to start very early in the morning. So that is a big problem. Like 10 o'clock is a dicey for some people. Like we also have to come to our offices on a regular basis. So this is the time when we travel. So I guess 11 o'clock will be but a much better time.
Okay, sir. Any questions to other members?
Nothing as of now. Like this is the first chapter meeting I'm attending. So let us, interact a bit more. Then I guess we can start off with all the questions. Let us understand who other members are, what they do, and let's have an interactive session. I guess then only we will have questions.
Yes, sir. Hereafter, the meetings would be regular, sir.
Yeah, not a problem.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
So
Next,
what I
can we
understand,
have
the meetings will
yes,
be
sir.
on Tuesday and Thursday, 10 o'clock, right?
Tuesday would be gold members meet. Friday would also be a gold members meet, and today it's Thursday chapter directors meeting.
Okay, so we need to attend both the gold members meet and also the chapter directors meet. What I understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And Saturday is dedicated to one single director or RD. Like one person, it would be like one person answering all the queries. Suppose this Saturday, one member would be decided, and if you are going to be the member, then other members are free to ask you any questions, and you can completely explain about your business. What are your requirements? Saturdays would be specifically dedicated to one person.
So basically, every Saturday, a member will be nominated who will be explaining a bit about his business, and other
Yes,
members
sir.
can just join in and learn more.
Yes, sir. And ask any questions and feel free to if they have any queries, they can feel free to contact that single person on that day.
Perfect.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes. Can we have Mr. Ajay Mehta?
Sure. Hi team, this is Ajay. I'm one of the chapter directors from Mumbai. Uh, I hope I'm audible.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, brilliant. Okay. I'm one of the chapter directors from Mumbai, and I own a startup called Altiorem Consultancy Private Limited, and we are into consulting of retail branding solutions, whether that is strategy or execution. Anything that has got to do with retail branding and visual merchandising is what we help a lot of brands do that. And we have been working with a lot of brands like Go Ibibo, Make My Trip, even Lenovo, Dell, P&G, HUL, Vodafone, to name a few. We've been working nationally for them. We've been providing solutions and strategies to all of these guys on a national level basis, including execution of their services. I'm also part of one of the recently incubated startup from Startup Lanes called Sanchar, and we would be launching our app tomorrow, which is 2nd October. The beta version would be launched tomorrow. So hopefully, once we've done all the testings and everything, I would require help of all of you guys to help us get the downloads and tractions on the app. Yeah, that is what my introduction would be.
Any suggestions or any questions, sir?
The only suggestion, Kajal, would be to have the meetings at around 11. 10 is too early.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Next, can we have Mr. Devjit Gupta?
Yeah, hi everyone. This is Devjit. I am the chapter director of Startup Lanes Pune. I've been associated with Startup Lanes since almost 1.5 to 2 years now. It is interesting to be a part of a growing tribe. I would put it that way. Startup Lanes is in a nice position to expand and grow, and we are lucky that we would be a part which is growing. Not BNI is very stable. TIE is also very big, large. So here we have a chance to make a difference on gain benefits also at the same time from a growing company. As far as my own is concerned, I have a development company which is into mobile apps and AI ML. I have a customer from Canada, which is a long-term customer in which we are doing offshore developments and offshore development for them. And I'm also associated with another friend of mine doing consultancy in high-tech areas like blockchain, AI, ML for US companies. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Do you have any feedbacks or suggestions for Startup Lanes?
No, I think let us start with this. See, feedbacks and suggestions, this is too early. We have just started regular meetings. So let it gain some traction. Let people join. We have, how many chapter directors we have together? Do you know on the count? So basically the count is very less today. So let us gain some more traction and let people join. Then we will be able to see the more benefits coming up.
Exactly, like in the WhatsApp group, we have like 43 participants,
Yeah,
but
I think
here we have only 7 people attending.
yeah, definitely
So-
that's 35 plus. Yeah.
So the let us start continuing. This is one day, starting day one, not many people will join unless and until they start seeing the values. So as more and more people will join, then we will start seeing the value of Startup Lanes. So right now I don't have any suggestions. Let us continue to do this and let more people join. That is how. I have a question for the chapter directors. You have your weekly meetings in your respective towns or cities. So how is the turn up in the weekly count? Last time we had just 4 people out of that.
Same with me. Yeah, very less turn up. In fact, we were constantly following up. I guess, as you said, I think we have to. I mean, once we regularly do it, I think people will start coming. They'll take it
Exactly.
serious. So right now,
As I said, it will
yeah,
take some time to build
yeah,
up traction.
right now they think we are a WhatsApp group, but now once we do regular meetings, and the bad thing for us is we have not met in person yet. All those established chapters they establish when the people could meet. Once you have the people to people interaction, then so it will be a slow start. I agree with that, but I think once we show something, I mean, like start referring, get show collaborations, that we have signed up orders and everything. I think people will they will buy in. I mean, you'll be patient. We'll not give it up.
Correct.
So we'll never give
Yeah.
up. So I think that's what we should take the stand. Because as you said, I think we have a very good opportunity because BNI or TI, we cannot do anything now. They are already grown. They don't need us. But startup lane, it's our own baby, so we can grow it. This is our opportunity. So how we use it, so we work with Shishir and how we get it forward is, I think, it's definitely. I totally agree with your point on that. Very good opportunity for us.
Correct.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Fanindra? Sir? Fanindra, sir? Sir, your
Hello.
voice is not audible. Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Your mic is on mute, sir.
I've been following what other guests are saying. This is not that quick because this is running on data today. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello all. I'm Fanindra. I introduced myself to all the members earlier. Can you hear me? Shrunkala?
Yes, sir. I'm able to hear you.
Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm
Can you hear
able
me?
to hear you. Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Thank you. So we are a corporate communications firm based in Hyderabad, and we do deliver communication roadmaps to the governments and some private organizations. And the name is As and When. And coming to this platform, I'm rather looking for, some inputs from Mr. Shishir Gupta and some sort of guidance from the call organizers on how to go about when we discuss while dealing with the members of our respective groups. If there is anything, you can leave it as a message. And coming to the give and take thing, Ms. Shrunkala, actually, this has become a kind of custom nowadays because we are discussing the same thing in Gold members meet. We are discussing the same thing in other meetings as well. Is there any business requirement or something like that? I don't think that this is the place, to put it across, because it has become redundant, nothing else.
Sir,
And
actually, I can understand that, sir, but we are just starting up all the meetings regularly. So first
yeah,
1 or 2 meetings that might be like introduction of everyone. Once people start getting to know each other, then the introduction part would be like taken off. And rather we would have questions and business requirements and discussions on other things.
Okay, here I have a point, Ms. Shrunkala.
Yes, sir.
I'm not touching these two areas. The value addition by startup lanes, or maybe what exactly we are gaining from startup lanes. Forgetting these things, what I want to put across is, if there is any possibility of, collaboration kind of activity with the two domains or with two industries, with respect to, say, for example, I'm representing a group. In my group, most of the people belong to IT and the second segment of people are from the area of consulting digital marketing. So if I start taking care of my group members and I put them across, start running some sort of interaction, and I must be able to tomorrow when I join with the other groups, Mr. Ghosh or maybe Ravi Shankar ji or someone. So I must be able to put across what is happening in my group and how exactly I can leverage this my prior interaction with my groups and this one and with the other groups. So that kind of collaboration, if there is any format or that we can prepare, so that what all this network that hello I will take a serious shape. That's what my point is, and we
Yes,
can
sir.
develop more if we could create something.
Sure, sir. But if the count is the count is really low, that is the thing.
No,
And
no, no.
everybody knows to know
This is
each
just
other.
first meeting,
Yes, sir.
so I don't want to leave any comments now. Nothing actually. I'm not trying to. What exactly you meant to say? I don't want to say that this is what we are going to do, and there is some sort of thing happening. Nothing, no complaining or nothing. It's just an observation, nothing else.
Yes, sir.
Right?
That would be taken into care, sir. And introduction is just happening daily because everybody first needs to know about other members. Now, as you said, in All India Meet, there are other members. There are non-gold members also. When it comes to gold members, it's gold members all across India who cannot be some of them may be RDs, some of them may be CDs, but you don't know specific gold members. So that introduction happened and today is the first chapter directors meeting. So obviously introduction was needed. That is the thing. But when you attend every meeting, maybe it is the same thing. But we'll take care of it. And by next meeting, when the count is high, then introduction would be less and more of discussions. Good discussions that would
please
be
don't take
beneficial
me
to
wrong,
others.
Mr. Gupta or Shankala ji. There are three layers, right? General members, gold members, chapter members,
and RDs also, sir.
And we are attending some of the meeting as well. So across all these meetings, and we are coming across some 2 or 3 sets of questions, or maybe the same thing. So this can be more fruitful and productive if we could understand the groups internally and make good set of communities and proceed further.
Yes, sir. So this chapter directors meeting, you can ask any questions to any of the series here, present here. So that if you have any queries among yourself, you can clear it. Regarding as sir asked about the chapter directors meeting, is it conducted and how many people are joining? So if you have any such queries, please feel free to ask, sir.
Okay. My only concern is we have to perform our roles properly way forward. So as chapter directors, so we will look into that aspect that mainly in this meeting. That's what my point is.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gupta, Mr. Ghosh, Ravi Shankar ji, nice meeting you all.
Same with us.
Same here, Fanindra.
Yeah, thank you.
The session is open to all. If you have, if any of the members have any queries for anyone, for any person, or want to know about each other's business, you can ask.
So I have a question. I know I think already Devjit actually asked about it. So what about Mithan? Did you have your meeting yet, or you just were up?
I did not have.
Just started, right? Okay, I guess. How do we? Any ideas to make them attend? I know WhatsApp is not going to be the only way to call them. We have I know my regional director actually Sriraman also had put at least 25 messages reminding people, but so difficult, and I had to personally call and invite some of them. They came. I guess initially I think we have to do that personal calling and get some people in. I guess that is because if you put in WhatsApp group, I think if you put in WhatsApp group, then it becomes like a message now. WhatsApp is considered nowadays like a spam. A lot of people don't take it seriously, even in a good group like the Startup Lane. I guess Shrinkula, how can you help us? I mean, or any community manager? I mean, like, you help us in calling at least few people and inviting them. I mean, like, how do we? I mean, like, we have to bring them in. I mean, like, even though
Sir,
WhatsApp is
actually,
there.
we drop personal messages to everyone. Maybe last Saturday it was the first meeting. So might be this time we can see a good number of count.
I guess personal message is not going to be enough. Probably you have to call and talk to people. I guess I don't know how. At least few. At least start with some people who are really active in the group. See who is very active. Who is like at least the new people who are joining in. Probably we can try to reach out to them, because only me or Ethan or Panindra just calling everybody is literally not going to be possible. If we can get some help in calling people and telling them, can you join? Hey, we have the meeting. Can you come and join tomorrow? If we can do that, if you can put some time. No, I don't. Just a suggestion. I don't know how is.
Okay, sir, that would be taken into consideration definitely. If possible,
Ravi
we'll
Shankar,
give a
just
call.
to add, Ravi Shankar, just to add here, see, Startup Lanes is our own community. I mean, we can't be, forcing people to, come in and join in just for the sake of formality.
Exactly. Yes.
So, it is for your own personal growth. If I have to force something onto you, then I don't think you actually belong to this community at all.
Correct. Yes.
So,
That would be interested. Yeah.
yeah, they have to be interested. I mean, if you're not serious, then I think you rather quit or you quit the role. You don't rather be a normal member rather than a chapter director or a regional director. I mean, if you cannot contribute, you should not even be taking the role.
I know. I'm actually talking about the regular chapter meetings, not the not even this meeting. Within the chapter, she was asking if how we can get more people. So that's why we were. And as you said, even that applies there also. If they are not serious, then I mean, if they are not attending, they are not serious.
Absolutely. I mean, being entrepreneurs ourselves, if we're not serious about our own community, I don't think they would be serious about their own business at all.
Exactly. So, because then you hear people complain, there is no business, I'm not able to move and all, then they are not putting time here also. So they have to, this is a good
and then
opportunity.
the excuses would be, it's COVID time, there are no businesses, nothing. And I mean, all those things start coming in.
If you don't put in an effort, how will it convert into business?
Yeah.
Correct. So, I mean, you can't spoon feed everybody, but yeah.
So probably some posts in our SL, the group also has to change. Probably the way is like more people are coming introducing, then we put some leads. That's where it ends. Probably little bit of a spin there. Think about something different. So I'm thinking too. Let's come up with some ideas. I'll share also how we can.
I think we can just create a template which probably would help everybody to introduce themselves in that particular format. What really surprises me is also that Shrinkula and Anjali and all of these guys have been asking for information on the Gold Members Directory. A lot of people are still to share even those basic informations. I mean, if you're paid for it, if you're a gold member, it just takes 2 minutes to fill your own information. If you can't give that much amount of time, then I don't think you should be even present here.
Yeah. I guess somebody joined actually.
Yes, sir. Mr. Harsh, sir, can you please introduce yourself to the group?
Yeah, sure. Hello, everyone. My name is Harsh.
So your voice is not audible.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, hold on a second. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hi. Hello, everyone. My name is Harsh Shethia. I'm a chapter director of Startup Lanes for the Mumbai region. So I'm primarily a growth marketer and a growth developer for early stage startups and MSMEs, etc. Basically, I help them in strategizing the growth, establishing digital marketing strategies, using marketing automations, basically helping startups to grow their business. through multiple channels. That's basically what I do. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. So you have any questions or queries related to the chapter directors meeting or anything you can ask here, or you want to ask anybody present here any questions, please feel free to ask.
Nothing specifically. If anyone knows any startups or if they need any help with strategizing the growth process for the next few months, they can probably reach out to me and we can figure out how to structure the entire growth plan for them. Nothing specific as such.
Thank you, sir. Devjit sir, do you have any questions for anyone?
No, I think that was my only concern, how to get people into the weekly chapters meeting. It's a slow process, so let us see. I'm working with Anjali. I don't know if she has joined today. So I've sent her a message today also to call people. I can only send WhatsApp to the messages. So we are trying. She suggested five people every day we should try to reach out and see what is the issue, why they are not joining. See, bottom line is this. If we are not able to show value to them, no one will join just for introduction. Ultimately, we have to share leads and get some, people have to see value for their money, time. Not only money, value for their time. At present, I don't know how to show the members of my chapter value for their time. What to say that they will get interested. I mean, any suggestion is welcome, but honestly, I'm still looking for ideas. How do we encourage people to join?
So, Devji, just to add here, as you said that we need to show value. See, Startup Lanes is a networking group. Now, unless you guys don't join in, or if people don't join in, there cannot be a network. And when I say network, obviously, if there's a network, then we start sharing ideas, we start sharing leads, we start sharing our businesses, and only then value comes in. But if people do not even participate, how will we show value to them? Because it's a network. It's not a profit making organization. It's a network which we have created, which Shishir has created. So people have to come and they have to contribute. Unless they don't do that, value cannot be created.
Harsh here, there are two things which probably we can do differently, right? These chapter meetings which are starting at 10 o'clock, right? So what happens is, for most businesses, the early morning time is actually the most important time to get most of the things done for everyone, right? I have a feeling that this timing is probably not right. Either we can go the BNI route where they start the meetings at 8 o'clock in the morning before the actual work starts for their respective business, or probably we can do it sometime in the afternoon or evening when the workload is relatively lesser. If we probably switch to some those kind of timings, probably we'll see more people responding rather than doing it at this time. I would love to hear what others feel about the same.
But the individual meetings are held on the weekends, Saturdays, I believe. Individual chapter meetings. So you see, there will always be pros and cons for any time you put. Okay, everyone will never be happy. But we have to.
But since BNI is already doing this for years and is doing it quite well, their meetings start early in the morning and they wrap it up before 9:30, 10, so that you can start your working day at a regular time there. Something along those lines. Either we can do it, before we go to work, or probably in the second half, somewhere in the afternoon, or probably in the evening. Basically, identify the best time which is there and operate based on that timing.
I completely agree with Harsh. But for BNI, it's like most of the members are not IT based. But here, what we find is most of the companies, most of the entrepreneurs belong to the IT industry, and here we need to work late night, and sometimes we need to work early. Like sometimes our client calls can be in early morning around 5:30. So it completely depends. So I guess if we can shift the meeting around 11, or say in the late afternoon, I guess that will be better.
I think like
Even
three is also good. I think.
Yeah, 3 is also good. 11 or 3.
Three. Yeah, a lot of people are not because US is not open at 3.
Yeah,
So
US
we
is
only
not open, and also
UK
Australia
is
market is not open.
yeah. So
yeah, so 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, something like that time, probably
That
that
will,
would be a better option.
yes.
see more people around. Yeah.
Anyone else would like to share what they think?
Well,
I
think
think
in the
second
end, I
half
think
is
it's
much better.
yeah, and in the end, it's the commitment of people. I mean, the room. If we all
People
in this
understand.
room can commit that we will do at 3, then we'll try to get others on board. So first we'll agree at a time. So at least the people in the 7, we are like about 6 people here. At least we 6 will agree. Okay, yeah, we'll do at 3. We are the early ones. So what we decide is what everybody has to follow now. So if everybody is okay with 3, then we'll 3, 4, and we'll go with that. Then we'll get concurrence from others. We'll slowly get 3 people more to join. Then yeah, we cannot expect 30 immediately, like from 6 to 30. Probably at least 6 to 10, 15. Slowly it will catch up.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense.
Shrunkala, you can probably we are. I think we are all okay with 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock. Three is fine, or what do you guys say? 3.
3 is perfect with me.
3 is
Yeah,
fine.
3,
3 is
4,
fine.
either way it's fine. Yeah.
3 is fine with me too.
What about others?
Yeah, fine. 3 o'clock is fine.
Absolutely. 3 o'clock is much better.
Yeah,
Okay,
3
so
is
that
fine.
would be like, I'll inform sir about this, and if that can be changed, it would be changed, sir.
Yeah. So that way we want to at least the 6 of us are committed, so we'll be there at 3. So you can ask us why you
Yes, sir.
unless of course there might be things that can happen. At least 2 of us will be there, at least 4, 5. Yes. But 3 is a very good time. As he said, we are not clashing with any market, and normally people don't disturb at that time. So like a very good period to have.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes, sir. So other than timing, do you have any other queries, sir?
Let us start first.
Yeah.
Let's start interacting with each other. Then only queries will come up.
Yeah. So,
Yes, sir.
as and when we find some points, we'll put in the group. We'll say, okay, guys, will this work to motivate members? I think in the end, it's motivating. I'll work with the regional director, motivate people. Keep telling them. Community manager, of course, you are there for community, and other Kajal is there, Shruti is there. So keep motivating people, call them, give them some. As he said, give some business, show some activity. I think once they see one activity, then they'll be more interested.
Correct.
Anyway,
So
good.
sometimes probably what is happening is because there are so many messages, right? These alerts, they kind of get caught in behind. People don't go through all of them. Even that difficulty we face a lot.
Exactly. That's all right.
So yeah, we have a new participant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Sheikh Adil, can you please introduce yourself to the group?
Yep. Hello everyone. Good morning. This is Adil here, Chapter Director of Hyderabad Group 3 and entrepreneur and co-founder at Group 3 Startups. So one of my primary startups is Signal Solutions Private Limited, which is into service sector, and I have another startup which is into product development in tech industry. So that's it. Thank you.
So any suggestions or queries related to chapter directors meeting, you can feel free to ask.
Nothing as of now. I've just joined. Let me be through it. Okay.
All right. I guess.
So like, everybody is done introducing themselves and no queries. So
Yeah,
can
I
we
just
have-
want to ask Mr. Sheikh Adil. Adil bhai, क्या चल रहा है? How many meetings you organized so far with your members?
Yeah, only one as of now. The last Saturday, I think.
Last Saturday. How was the response?
There were not many attendees though. There were quite a few. Yeah. So we have just took an introduction and we had good introduction and good networking.
Okay.
session.
Hello.
Okay.
How many people attended?
कहाँ से? हाँ बताइए.
Hardly 4-5 people attended that.
I think that's expected. I think most of us had the same.
I'm sorry, there's some noise.
आज कितने बजे आ पाएंगे ऑफिस में?
Ethan, can you mute?
आपका ऑफिस कहाँ पे है?
Or probably Shrunkala can mute him.
Okay.
Ethan, can you mute
तो
yourself?
काम कर सकते हैं. आज छोड़िए. मंडे को
You can mute all the host. Who is the host?
A host can mute.
Signet Tower, College Mode. Signet Tower, College Mode, DN2. जी.
Shankara, can you please mute him?
Around 2 o'clock.
Shrunkala, you can mute.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Sorry if I interrupt. Can you please come again?
Please unmute yourself. I've muted everyone.
Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Adil, I was just curious to know, I mean, how many people attended and what was the outcome and what were the major questions, something like that. Because I haven't yet started it.
Okay. They were
I
just.
was waiting for Ms. Shruti to come in, but I think she is off for a reason. So I'm waiting for her so that she would send an invite first, and then I was busy last
Great.
week.
So since that was a very beginning first meeting, there were hardly around 4 to 5 members who attended. Then later on, at the course of time in the next hour, a few other people have been added. So you can take on an average 8 to 9 people you can take.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Mr. Mehta and Shrunkala ji, so I have a point here to put across. Obviously, this is a networking platform. I mean, people come and they introduce themselves, and it is just like, I mean, virtual BNI, you say, maybe. And I don't want to put it in a different way, but there's no point duplicating it until unless we see a kind of collaboration for one reason or the other. So obviously it's a networking thing, but we have to look at our objectives as well, right? Not creating, I mean, running some paid members subscription and all forcibly, but it should grow. Then only there will be some sort of attending the queries, calls by non-members or maybe regular members, or all these things do happen. So we have to take care of two ends. One is regular members, or the other one is paid members. So if that has to happen, we have to run programs that make people to look into and collaborate with each other. Probably my group with Mr. Adil's group, my group with Mr. Ghosh's group, and all something like that, subgroups. So for example, there will be a traders group, there will be an IT group, there will be some other group. So within the group, we cannot do anything. There is always a kind of my group with some other thing. So again, I have to follow the limitations or restrictions that are put by Startup Lane. I have to understand the vision and I should not cross the limits. So all these things I have to look into. Otherwise, there is no point. I mean, people are already there and we are calling each and every person individually. And we are going to ask them to come on a common platform on a particular day for group meeting. And after that also, I mean, it is not just hamare paas ye hai, aapke paas kya hai, can we do this, can we do that? That becomes a routine and redundant thing across all the members. At least for chapter directors, I don't think it is a point also. We just have to make a model which churns out some money, some products across. So I ideally speaking, I'm really sorry. I apologize, Mr. Harsh Sethia. I could not even talk to him. I told him that I would come back on a particular collaboration model, but I could not get him back. I could not get back to him. So thoda sa time chahiye, Mr. Sethia. And for this thing, na chapter members meet, and in order to make it more and more peppy and interesting, that has to be done. And let us see how quickly we can segregate the people demographics wise, or maybe that vocation wise, or maybe their interest wise, whatever it is, and then we will see.
Sure, no problem.
So anything is invited actually. Ravishankar ji, Gaush ji, Mr. Gupta, Shettia ji, anybody. So obviously, first of all, we will start running the good interaction with our respective members. Then we will see how best we can collaborate with each other.
Sure.
Sure. Okay.
Yes, sir. Everyone now everyone is like all the queries are answered. So I think we are good to close.
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely. Sure.
Nice talking to you
Thank
all.
you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Great talking to you
Nice
guys.
interaction.
Nice talking to you, everyone. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you everyone for joining.
Thank you.